What is going on, everybody? Welcome to a new video. I'm trying to demonstrate the Raymond bot. This bot is an all-in-one Solana token launch bot. Create SPL tokens, add Raydium liquidity, and manage your launch with ease. So basically, if you're trying to rug pull, I'm just gonna go straight to the point. No bullshit. If you're trying to rug pull, just go here in YouTube, just typed how to rug pull. You see all these videos? These are some deep fake AIs, okay? So the people here are not even real. All of these are deep fake AIs, AI voices, AI everything, and they just trying to scam you. I'm just being straight to the point. Basically, if we go right here to any random video,
Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to my...
we're just gonna find some AI dude and we're gonna find a website. Of course. What is this website? If you're trying to ask me, I'm gonna tell you it's a formula that is the same in a lot of websites. So the URL are changed, but the website is the same. Basically, all they doing are waiting for this to verify, but what they doing are scamming people. Like, if you're trying to create an SPL token, you gotta like pay 0.5 or I don't know, something between like 0.5 to 1 sol. Hey, here's the website. I don't know, he's not putting the URL, but this is some scam, guys. There's some other, just like I told you, these websites are scams. Don't go throw your money at any website. It can be a drainer, it can be whatever, but these are scams. So basically, I found a tool that actually works for creating SPL tokens, initiating liquidity pool on Raydium, making CAs, contract addresses that end with bump or moon, or you're trying to keep it random, it can keep it random. All of that is in this bot. It's Raymond bot, and it actually does all of what you need to rug pull or create a legit launch. Raymond bot. It's a one-click launch, create your token, add metadata, and launch in minutes. Vanity token addresses, you can generate custom token addresses, as I told you, ends with pump or moon or whatever. You can initiate liquidity pool on Raydium. You can revoke mint and freeze authorities. This feature, websites that scam you, do it for 0.2 sol. This bot does it for free. Basically, initiating the Raydium pool is between 0.2 or 0.3, but that's actually in Raydium. So yeah, it just takes the fees of Raydium. This bot is actually an all-in-one workflow, token creation, metadata, authority management, and liquidity all in one place, and it's pretty safe. Your wallet, your funds, always, like, it's very safe, and a lot of people use it. If you ever bought some token and they rug pulled, they're probably using this bot to do that, because you can like divide your supply of your token in 100 wallets. So basically, it's a really good bot for doing like anything you're trying to do with Solana Memecoins. Maybe like creating or initiating a liquidity pool and then removing liquidity. So here we can like import our wallet. I'm just gonna copy my private key real quickly. There we go. We just imported my wallet I'm importing my wallet to the bot, and just like that, it's imported. Now all we gotta do is continue to token setup. And just like that, we can create token right here. Enter token name. We're gonna go with something like BTC. As I can see, we can like initiate and remove liquidity right here. Just gonna add the metadata. Symbol is gonna be BTC and supply is gonna be 1 billion, obviously. We're gonna enter like 9 decimals. And we can like make the CA end with pumper moon, but I'm just gonna go with random and create our token. Basically, token created successfully. This is the CA, and we're gonna add liquidity. I'm just gonna go ahead and add 4 sol for liquidity, or maybe like 3.5, just for this tutorial. Just gonna confirm our liquidity initiation, and just like that, liquidity pool is set. After a few minutes, you gotta wait a few minutes to see that the liquidity pool is initiated successfully. And just like that, all we see is few buys, liquidity at 900. And yeah, nothing crazy right now, but you gotta like wait for it. It says like this pair has very little liquidity, but you can just like ignore all these messages as people gonna like see it. And there we go, there's a buy with 150 bucks. So yeah, that's really cool. If we just remove liquidity right now, we're gonna like get all that buys and all the amounts that people buy. It's just gonna go to my wallet. I'm just speeding up right here. And there's a buy with 460 bucks. That is very good. Few buys with 30 and 20 here and there. But yeah, our liquidity now is at 2.6k and another 150 bucks buy. So yeah, these are some really good buys out here, making our few 15. There's a lot of 15s. It's probably someone trying to like divide supply between wallets. All we gotta do now is go ahead and remove the liquidity. Just gonna go ahead and remove liquidity. As we can see, like 3k liquidity is pretty good. We just removed liquidity, that is the TX. So as we can see, just removed it, 13 sol. That's pretty cool. Like we made 10 sol or something. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Yep.